Good afternoon, y'all. What day is it? I don't know. It's Monday, April 6th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. Okay, so no news today, no news tomorrow. We possibly have some on Wednesday, but otherwise, we're just chilling. The market has made its way to the upside. It does look like it's trying to give a good pullback now. Had a dog have to go to the vet. The other one's going to go in at 4, so we got a couple of hours. I'm going to drop off some masks that I got in with some people who are having to be out daily with others. I'm just ready. Things have been really, really busy over here. A lot of people have been, like I said, utilizing their time wisely and coming on over and learning some things about day trading. Some of them have so surprised me with how quickly they catch on, and it's beautiful. So let's see what we can catch on to today. Let's go check it out. Daily chart. Okay, so this is what we were talking about last week. It pulled back. The MACDs were like, no, don't think so. And we're going to keep pushing up. And it's done a great job of it so far. Oh, looks like it wants to keep going. Added some areas of support and resistance to my 10946 and my bigger tick charts. See what happens here. We're out above the zero line. These are still blowing up. It still can come back a little bit further, but it's really trying to make these higher pivots. Done with this. There she is. Trying to make it happen. Because of the white babies, Lindsay. Pay attention. Pay attention. There's the profit. Now we got a reversal bar. Lord have mercy, girl. Patience changes everything. Just following it little by little. Tiny little bar, starting to pull back just a bit. There we go. Okay. That was 3 losses. Again. For a win. My risk should really be right up here. Right back above there. There we go. That one out there. Let this last one run. Getting close. Pulling back to it. Definitely would have touched it now. Okay, I'm done. Let's check this out. Okay. 7 trades, 1, 2, 3 winners, 1, 2, 3, 4 losers, 15.5 points. And I am done for the day. Now let's talk about, and we can go ahead and look. I know some people like looking at summary. Okay, there we go. So, these haven't been my greatest win-loss ratios lately. They've actually been a little on the lower side of the wins, but I know every bit of it is because of my patience and the inability to have any right now. Let's go ahead and get these marked up on the charts really quick. Thank goodness it didn't take me for anything extra on any trades today, so that's a good thing. Everything is patience, every single bit of it. No, this one was all right. But getting back in when it showed it to me right here, and I tried to chase it, but I wasn't going to. So first one's minus 2.5. Here was my major patience issue. The next 2 losses were literally because I was trying to be ahead of the game. I was watching what this was saying, but I was ignoring the fact that it said that it still had some strength to it, and I needed to wait for the slowdown. I want to talk a little bit about... Let's talk a little bit about what was going on up here. As I started the recording, as I was hitting play on it, my door opened and my son literally had a squeaker. Then right before I took my first trade, I called him in his room because he was doing some weird, crazy scream under his breath sound. And when I called him, he's like, let me guess, I need to hold it down. I was like, yes, thank you. I love my children very much, but I am so excited that they're going to go spend some time with their dad. Starting this Friday, maybe for a week or so, spend a little bit of time over there and a little bit more quiet over here. It's been so messy. That's going to wrap it up, guys. We're going to go ahead and end the day. I've been trading for about 55 minutes. Oh, and here is today's card. Nothing can dim the light which shines from within. And I have to remember these kind of things when I've taken 3 losses in a row, but I have to remember that there are some different circumstances than would normally be here, and normally I would keep my head in check. So had I taken a 4th loss in a row, it would have been shut down for the day. So I am pushing my thought process a little bit with that last loss that I took. Someone like Jason who's using 1.75 would have still been in that. I probably would have still been in a couple of trades had I been using that 1.75, but I am not ready to move my risk. I know that I need to stay focused. That's it. Just stay focused. And it's harder to do right now, but it's not impossible. Everything's a little bit harder, y'all, but nothing is impossible. Okay, we got to remember that, okay? Don't let anything dim the light. because you can't dim the light that shines within, and nothing is impossible. We don't have any news tomorrow. We have pending news on all day Wednesday with the OPEC meetings. Thursday and Friday news is prior to market open. Saturday we'll be doing that group class for students. So if you want to get on that, make sure you let me know. Otherwise, guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up, call it a day. And I want you to know, as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.